you don't really need to care where it's located. You can just say, I'm going to search for this thing, and it'll show it. When you have these incredibly powerful search functions, it doesn't matter where stuff is. But then you combine that with cloud or online storage, which basically acts as just like an extra place to dump files.
So within this system, all packages, meaning mainly all programs, but also all shared libraries, and then also all files and all directories, all the things basically that the kernel identifies are known by both a UUID and then also hash IDs, with the idea that the UUID identifies something through all of its versions, whereas the hash ID both verifies cryptographically that this is what we say it is, and also it identifies the version. The idea of these IDs is they really should be machine independent. They're not just some artifact of one particular system. When you copy a file around, when you distribute a package, these IDs are really going to be the same on every single system.